everyone. Today in this video we will cover notes of chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. This chapter is there in science book of class 6th. In this chapter we will discuss about different parts of the plants. Plants, they are mainly grouped into different categories. You must have heard these terms: herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers. These categories are there on the basis of their growth habits. Herbs, what are the herbs? Herbs are the soft and weak, these have soft and weak stems. Most of the crops like rice, wheat, maize, sunflower, mint, these all are herbs. Then we have shrubs. So what are the shrubs? Shrubs have hard stems, but the main thing in shrubs is their branches starts from near the base, from the ground almost, and they are hard. Examples of shrubs are lemon, jasmine, etc. Then we have trees. Trees are the big plants which have very strong stem and they stand on that stem, and then branches and leaves emerges out from the main stem. Examples of such trees are mango tree, neem, banyan, coconut, etc. Then we have climbers. Climbers are the plants which have very weak stems and cannot stand on their own. So what they choose? They choose the other big plants to climb on and then stay there. Examples of such plants are pea, grapes, etc. Then we have creepers. What are the creepers? Creepers are the plants which spread out on the ground. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber, etc. Then we have the classification of plants on the basis of their life cycle. So plants are also divided on the basis of in how many seasons we can have those plants. For example, annual, the plants which completes their life cycle in just one season, they are called annual plants. For example, wheat, mustard. Then we have biennials, we have perennials. Biennial is which require 2 seasons for the completion. Then we have perennials which exist for more than 2 seasons. Now let's discuss the parts of plants. We have 2 systems in the plants: root system and shoot system. System are the parts of plants which are under the ground, and above the ground is called shoot system. So in the root system we have tap root, we have fibrous roots. These are the different types of roots. In the tap root there will be a main root which arises from the main stem, and then tiny branches will come out of that. In fibrous root, number of roots will emerge out from the main root. Then we have functions of root system. Why do we need root system in plants? So roots are used to absorb water, nutrients from the soil. They help the plant to stand erect. They check the soil erosion. The roots store food. So we must be aware of some plants in which we eat the root. They store the food. For example, carrot is there, and they offer extra support to the plant. Then there is other system we talked about is shoot system. This is the part of plant which grows above the soil. What does it include? Stems, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. What is stem? Stem is the strongest part of the plant which help it to stand erect and bear the other parts of the plant. For example, branches, leaves, all are connected to stem. Then we have leaves. So now what are the parts of leaves? We have petiole, we have leaf lamina, we have veins. So petiole is the part which join the leaf to stem, and leaf lamina is the green portion, flat green portion of the leaf. Then we have veins. So what are the veins? Veins are the small narrow tube-like structure that is there on the plant. You must have seen there is one in the middle of the leaf, and then others emerges out from that. That is called veins. Then we have one more thing in plants, that is flower. Flower is the reproductive organ of the plant. So reproduction takes place in the flower. Functions of stem are: it provides support to the plant, it bears important plant parts, helps in transportation of water and food to all the parts of the tree. It thick and fleshy stems make food. Stem modified into tendrils give extra support for the plant. Then let's discuss the functions of leaves. So where does leaves come into the picture? They help in transpiration, which is the losing of water, and in preparation of food by the process of photosynthesis. Then we have function of flowers. Flowers help in reproduction. These become fruits and which store food and seeds for the new plants. And some modified flowers we use for eating, for example cauliflower, broccoli. They are very good sources of vitamin. Pedicel is used to join the flower to the main branch. Then we have sepals. Sepal are the green small leaves that protect the flower. You must have seen that when we have a colored flower, around all the petals of that flower there will be one layer of green small petals that are called sepal. Then we have petals. Petals are the bright colored leaf-like structure that make flower. We have stamens, anther, filament, carpel. You must have read about these in your classroom. Then we have style, stigma, ovary. These all are the parts of the flower. Let's discuss some ad hoc things about this chapter. So we have leaves in plants. They help in transpiration, that is vaporization of water from the leaves. Then green leaves, they make food by the process of photosynthesis. Roots, they absorb water and minerals from the soil and also help plant to stay firmly in the soil. Roots are of mainly two types, tap root and fibrous root. And the stem, it helps plant to stand erect and it supply the food to all the parts of the plant. That's all about the notes of chapter 7, parts of plants. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And if you have any feedback, please comment that too. We will work on that. Thank you. Bye.